As if I'm not juggling my life. Sumali ko ng isang content creation program.
This is a day in the life of a comeback queen, choosing myself in small ways that matter.
It's 5:53 a.m. and I am finishing my assignment.
Alam mo yung feeling ko ngayon, parang akong nasa college, yung may pressure pero ang saya, may deadline, may pero ginagawa mo pa rin naman, di ba? Not just because requirement siya, but because gusto ko din naman talaga siya. Yes, ngayon, I am figuring myself mismo, pero yung showing up, creating content, there is a part of me that is coming back.
A lot of people are after grief, broken friendship.
I still push to continue. Kaya ikaw, you are also figuring things out. Ipagpatuloy mo lang yan. Kasi yung pagpupursige mo sa bagay na gusto mo, it is a big part of your healing.